Yes, so today I will show you how you can install a WordPress on your server, and I will show you on live server, so you will get the better idea of doing it on live. Remember, you should have a Linux server, not a Windows server, in order to install WordPress or any application which is built in PHP. You should always use Linux server. So I have a live server, okay, and here I will show you how I can install WordPress. So more or less all the cPanels looks like this. More or less most of the cPanels, Linux cPanel looks like this. And so the first step which we will follow in installing WordPress is to create a database. We must create a database. So let's go to MySQL database, okay, here in the cPanel, and then create a database, okay, and parallelly open a notepad file where you can save your all the credentials, okay. So let's download the WordPress also from the wordpress.org and then /download. So by going to this URL, you can download WordPress like this. Just click on it and then the WordPress will be downloaded. So I have already downloaded the WordPress. So here is the latest WordPress which I have downloaded from wordpress.org, okay. And so now let's go to the cPanel. Here in this panel we will create the database. Let's name it WP and then click on create database, okay. And then just copy this and save it here for the future purpose, okay. Again, then click on go back. After creating database, you need to create a user. Just scroll down and here just create a new user. After giving the name of the user, you need to put the password. Click on the password generator, copy it, click on this checkbox and then use password, okay, and then save this password here also. This is for the user, okay. Click on the create user link, copy it and then click on go back. So the first one is the database name, second one is the username, and third one is the password. Now when you have already created the database and user, then you need to assign the database with the user, okay. So here you can do it like this. Go to this user database, and sorry, this one with the user, this one the user I created WPU, and then this one. So with this user, you can see this user, we are merging this one the database, okay. You need to do this. You need to assign this user to this database, okay, and then click on the add button, and after that you need to click on all the check boxes. Just click on the all privilege and click on make changes, okay. So now your database is up, okay, and now you are done with the cPanel and all that in the database section, and then just click on the cPanel once again, okay, and click on file manager, okay. So what is your URL? Your URL is phpsquare.in/WordPress. So you need to go to your public HTML and then like this. Hold on, sorry, let me find it. Public HTML, yeah, here. And so this root one, this whole public HTML belongs to this one, okay. So if you want to add a WordPress, then just click on the folder and name it as WordPress, okay. So this will be this one. Just reload it like this. You got it, what I mean? So okay. So dragging the zip file here will just upload it to the server, okay. So let's wait for the time being it uploads to the server. So now it's uploaded, so let's just unzip it. You just need to click on right click and then click on extract. Okay, so it will extract all the files under the WordPress directory. Click on reload again and go to WordPress, click on select all, click on move, and then just point to the directory where your URL points. Okay, and then delete the WordPress, this one, WordPress zip, you don't require it anymore. Okay, and the additional WordPress folder which is also not required. So under the WordPress directory we have all the latest files, so just let's run this URL once again so that we can install the WordPress. Okay, click on, select the language and click on continue. So now you need the database name, database username, password and host. Click on let's go and then go to database name, database, and then user, and then password, and then give a different name. Let's give it WPU new, okay, because everyone here may be new. So click on submit and now your WordPress is installed. Okay, you need to give a site title. Let's see, test WP installation. Give it a username, whatever is your name is in your mind. Give it a username, admin. Try avoid giving admin, give something different. Let's see, give test 9999. Okay, and it will choose a random password. Just save it here for your future purpose. This one is your password, and then test is your test99 is your username. So that's it. And then your email, in my case it's speechwhisper@gmail.com. If you want search engine to index your site, don't check this one. If you don't want search engine to index your site, just click on this one. So I hope you want your search engine to index your site, so just uncheck it. Okay, so for my purpose I don't want this to be indexed, so I click on checked it. Okay, so let's wait until the whole WordPress installed. So WordPress is installed. Now click on login. It will take you the backend page, so it will put you into the backend page. So this is how the WordPress is installed, and let me show you the front page also. So this one is the front page. Okay, and if you want to go to the backend, if you forgot the URL, just type your URL, and then after that just type wp-admin. Okay, so it will take you to the WordPress backend. Okay, so if you are not logged in, then you won't see this. If you are not logged in, then you will see a login screen. Then you need to log in with the username and password you just saved it. Okay, so thank you very much for your time. In the next chapter I will show you how you can customize, how you can install plugins and all that, and select themes and all that. So this is just the basic things to install WordPress and create database from the cPanel. Thanks for your time.